It's finally here.
It's here.
We've waited 10 plus
weeks
weeks to get this new thing in, and we're really excited about it. So
it's more 10 than 10 plus.
it's more, yeah. They did a good job delivery, so
Yep.
we'll leave it at that for the moment. But here's what we have. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Boxes.
3 nice sized boxes. Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas. All right.
A little early.
A little early, but that's okay. But really impressed with how they put all the packaging. It's very tightly strapped. It's got extra protection around the corners. It's on a little pallet.
They shipped it FedEx, who did an excellent job of delivering
Yeah,
it.
FedEx did do a good
It
job.
was on a FedEx lift truck, and the delivery guy was very good. Put it wherever I wanted, unlike another delivery we had in the past. Anyway, cut away.
Anyway, it's very good. All right, so if you haven't already guessed by the name, Harvest Right, we ordered a freeze dryer. And what size did we get?
Large.
And what kind of pump did we get?
Maintenance free.
Maintenance free, oilless
free.
pump.
Yes.
So we're excited about all that. So,
We are, and the reason we did the large and the oil free is because Living Traditions Homestead said if we had it to do over again,
they would have gone with big and with the larger one,
and with the oil-free
pump. They seem to like that better. But we're going to open these boxes up and see what all the parts are. Might need a better knife. This one's gotten pretty dull. It's got a lot of stuff in the last week or two.
Almost. And you think you're done. Hey,
Oh, there's some more straps up here for this box. It's really time to sharpen that knife.
Well, you may as well wait till you're done with all these.
Yeah, wait a minute guys, I'm going to go sharpen the knife. I'll be back in a minute.
Let me see my Christmas present.
Want to see it?
This will be, I'm guessing, the pump.
The pump?
Guessing.
Seem like it's heavy?
Yes.
Good night, it's taped tight. Trying to get under the cardboard to get the tape. All right.
Yay, I win the prize. Oh, prize is
there
the
a
pump.
prize is a pump? Okay. All right, so that's the pump.
Take it down. Okay.
So we can set
Are we
this on the ground.
resuming?
Yep, we're on. We can set it on the ground and see if we can get it out of the box.
Yeah.
Okay. Pull the styrofoam off the end.
Kind of a tug of war. Is it taped on?
I
Seriously,
don't see any tape. Nope.
it's not budging.
A big foam block tightly on there.
Wow.
Okay. Try again.
It's easier.
That thing is large, isn't it? Large and heavy.
I can't remember. It said how many pounds it weighed, but I can't remember.
Say like, I'm guessing, but it's
Whoa.
around 60. All right, we'll set it back up here. And it is a monster. So, there is part one.
These are its feet.
Yep. So it stands up this way.
And here's a little.
Little covers for the cat cords and stuff.
Wow, it's popping the tape.
Popping popping the tape under there. So let's get a better look at it. So this is the oil-free pump from Harvest Right. Looking forward to getting this set up. So that the legs have levelers.
Yep.
Just for the 3/4 inch hose that goes on. And that side,
Here's the cord.
the cord and power button. So we will take that and set it in its place. Then open the next one.
Oh yeah.
So we got the pump done. We got it put in the house, out of the way.
We had a friend come over, so now this is hours later.
Yeah. So we went out and fed the animals, and it was getting late. So now we're back to this. We're gonna open up the next box here and see what we have. We're guessing that these are maybe the trays or
Yes. Parts and pieces.
all the bits and bobs, cords, cables.
Shoes.
So there's
A hose.
A hose?
I should say a hose.
power cable. I'm gonna set these on our workbench over here. And
Reading material.
reading, you'll love to read. So there's that. These are
Mylar
the
bags.
Mylar bags. There are 8 by 12. There's 50 of them in there. And then these are the 50 oxygen absorbers.
Nice.
And
That is
this is the impulse sealer.
Yes.
What will tell us about that?
You sealed your Mylar
Mylar
bags with, you put your food in the bag, put in an oxygen absorber, and you seal it.
There we go. Okay.
You forgot about that part, didn't you?
There's that. I did forget that. And then,
Oh, they're heavy.
the trays.
The trays.
So this is the large freeze dryer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stainless steel trays. So those are the trays that go in it. Take one out. Get them out. I'm kind of stuck together right now. But nice stainless steel trays. These guys look nice. So that's what's in that box.
They're
Very
quite
good.
heavy.
They are a bit heavy. There's that out of the way. All the parts,
Your reading material.
books. And now we ordered the large one, and we ordered it in
Stainless steel.
stainless steel. We're curious, the box is marked black. So we don't know why. We would have gotten a black one instead of the one we asked for, which was stainless steel, but maybe
You can find out.
we can find out. It's sitting on the pallet.
It's sitting on
The
the
box
pallet.
is hollow.
It is not. It is black. It's stainless steel in the back.
And the sides.
Okay.
What about the
So
front?
that's the back.
And the front, it is stainless steel.
Yay!
They have it facing the wrong direction, so you guys can't see it much, but we'll move you around so you can.
Move this.
So
It's
there
quite
we
heavy.
are. Yeah, we were looking at the paperwork on it. So the freeze dryer itself was 161 pounds, and the pump was 42
Just over
pounds.
40 pounds.
So felt heavier than that, but
But it's just, it's
it's small,
Compact.
compacted all into one thing. So that is the freeze dryer, and we are excited to get this guy going.
very excited.
So we've got a place in our utility room with a stainless steel table all set up for it.
It's going to be like half the size of the utility room.
It's got a
Undo.
turn door.
Yes, you have to do
Turn the
that.
deal, open it up. Really super thick plexiglass door. Then inside, where all the trays go.
Yep, they don't have the thing
The thing? Oh yeah, they
That
used to have,
cushion
we've
thing?
seen, who was it,
They used
somebody?
to have a cushion that went there.
Yeah, there was a cushion or a pillow type thing that goes over that, but I think they've improved the seal and the door so they don't do that anymore.
Yeah, I think this.
But funny, this box is marked black and we actually got the stainless steel that we
Yeah,
asked
so they
for.
knew, and that's what my thought was, you know, maybe somebody just marked it wrong, but they knew.
So, all sitting on the pallet, we'll just have to pick this guy up and put it where it goes and...
Yeah, we should have done it when Larry was over.
Oh yeah, I didn't think
Actually.
about that.
That would have been nice to have
It
another
would've.
set of manly
Another
muscles.
set of somebody besides me lifting up, but maybe the two of us can do it. We'll see.
You have that dolly, you can roll it in.
Yeah, might be able to use a dolly to get it at least part of the way in there, and then we'll just pick it up, sit it on the table. Hopefully, we'll see. Anyway, that's it for this video. We're excited to have the freeze dryer, and hopefully we can produce some foods, some stored foods for ourselves, and maybe for some customers in the future. We'll see what happens,
know.
but we don't know. Mainly to
Don't
begin
want to
to...
get the cart before the horse.
That's
You just
right.
need to figure out how it works and how it doesn't work.
Exactly. Find out what it does and what it doesn't do well. So that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.